Alright, Sunday Ian Schwartz frame. Fit sky high bars, S&M XLT stem, Odyssey Classic Race fork, Odyssey front wheel, the old Van Dero one, GLH tire in the front, 2.25, 110 psi, it's real big. ASM back tire, got some twine bolts, orange because Odyssey's like snapped my old twine bolts and then they sent me these ones because all they had is red, I guess. Odyssey trail mixes, Odyssey Midway, laced to the old Hazard, never lets me down. ASM, FBM pivotal seat, which is a piece of shit, hate it. Take a good look at it. You'll be seeing it someday.